Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video we will be talking about how to get Xenlism, the icon theme, on Linux. So to start off, you're going to need to install the Git tool. Once you do that, you can scroll down and figure out the download link. But to start off, just install these apps and then open up a terminal once you've got the tool installed. And then you can do git clone followed by Xenlism. You need to delete that and start over. And we can clone it, and cloning shouldn't take too long. With the download done, we can go back to the post here, and we need to move into the wildfire folder, so cd wildfire ls. Take a look at everything. We see there's this install repos rpm, and we can do sudo mv zen. Hold on a sec. CD icons. Got ahead of myself there. Excuse me, guys. Then you copy this command here, and this will install all of the Xenlism stuff. So there are multiple packs. So if I open up a new tab here, I'll show you what I mean. So there are a ton of different versions of Xenlism. So it's not just one icon theme. It's like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a lot. So this wildcard here will move all of them into place. And this will install it system-wide. And if you want to set it up for just a single user, you can follow those instructions instead. And then, of course, you can activate it, which I will do now. Go to Tweaks. And then you just go to Appearance, and this is just for GNOME. But if you want to do it on a different desktop environment, information in the article here, if you go down below, information for all the major desktops. But we can just select the icon. There's a bunch of different Xenlism choices, as you can see now. And that's how you set up the Xenlism icon theme on Linux. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.